Multiple elected district attorneys are sounding the alarm on a new Colorado Supreme Court ruling guaranteeing accused murderers the ability to bond out of jail.
And tonight, 13 Investigates has learned this new decision impacts nearly 36 ongoing cases in El Paso County. Investigative reporter Sean Rice joins us live in the studio to break down this controversial decision. Sean?
Yeah, Bart and Heather, 7 Supreme Court justices in our state have declared that people accused of deliberately killing another person now have the right to bail. The Supreme Court ruling says withholding an accused murderer's ability to bond out of jail is a direct violation of their rights.
We will have people that are charged with first-degree murder get out of custody on bond as a result of this opinion.
El Paso County District Attorney Michael Allen is concerned with the unintended consequences of a new state Supreme Court decision. 7 state Supreme Court justices ruled that because Colorado abolished the death penalty, holding a person charged with murder in jail on no bond is a, quote, abuse of the trial court's discretion.
Now people that are committing the most heinous offenses in a community, whereas we had been able to hold them without bond, meaning that we're going to stay in jail until the case was tried to a jury, are now going to have the chance to bond out of jail and be out in the community again.
The El Paso County DA's office is now having to set bond hearings for 34 first-degree murder cases that have not yet gone to trial. Cases like Joshua Johnson, who is charged with violently stabbing his teen coworker to death at a Rock Room in Walgreens, and the new bond rules are already playing out in courtrooms across the state. Nicholas Tumblin, who's accused of killing 2 people and nearly murdering another in 2021, this week a Pueblo County judge granted him 2 $1 million bonds.
So these are dangerous people who are not afraid to carry out violence against others, including people that are apprehending them, and will be back out on the street potentially if the bond is low enough.
Allen believes the only way to change it would be through the state legislature passing a law to amend the Supreme Court decision.
Think there was any buy-in whatsoever from our legislature to do that?
Probably not.
Allen is calling on state lawmakers to study this issue and its potential negative impacts to public safety. That next legislative session reconvenes in January of next year. Reporting live in the studio, Sean Rice, 13 Investigates.
Okay, Sean, thank you.